係各位聽眾，歡迎兩人來到本來福建嘅節目嘅錄音。特別見啦，節呢個現調到底咧現調到底 Bright48 嘅 Bright48.com， 但是到底 Bright48.com 嘅人聽人喺，兩會使過去 Bright48.com 嘅網頁 click 嘅 chat 位咧，就去 chat room 會夠人拍卡。當今新加坡有一個人 at 真，到底邊 hello at 真，แล้วก็我當邊拍廣告就先到邊學，我特別介紹我特別嘉賓先，特別嘉賓到底喺 Google Hangout 唔是到底咧Skype 唔係 YouTube 入邊嘅，就是老椒英國中歡迎。
Hello，大家好。
啊，但你做咧點嘢？跟住講得搞。
冇，我 GP study。
啊。
冇個人接病，佢兩會啲就靠病。
是歡迎歡迎。你有揾嘅 L 嗰啲。到底邊個會歡迎這啲嘅超情？嚇，你唔是在邊？
我冇在邊領啦。
多多。
冇啦。邊度？
在邊度？我都把它綁另一個。
唔係咩？哇！差啲。
這點嘅超情歡迎。
哦，
แล้วก็ก็เราเจ้า阿嬷是看唔到平時阿嬷是白白的，特別唔知乜事叫做阿嬷阿嬷แล้วก็阿嬷到底古色蘭
他們叫古色蘭
New Zealand
古西蘭，
古西蘭แล้วก็ออติตูฮันเนี่ยออติตู
Hi 講伊我是都特別明明伊下邊嗰啲白字句
Hello。
啊啦，ออติตู等陣 OK 我俾看哇แล้วก็只看個成亂嘅媽媽個
耶！我來了。
無亂呢無亂呢來咩人
來
昂
冇咕嚕係，但係今日你看人嘅看，佢入邊都係皮筋，知冇？
點解看到？
我看到啲新嘅。
看入邊啲嘢。
อันนี้คนน่ะมันอันนี้คนน่ะเท่าผีกุยห่า
看到你爸爸OK，所以今日節目咧，較特別特別 Bright48 要介紹，我諗 Bright48 係啥物物件 ？Bright48 咧就是到底美國一個 network，然後有一隻人做 podcast 嘅一啲人，佢了是 LGBT，然後要介紹福建話 LGBT 就是佢了就是安怎講啊？我唔知安怎講喎。
冇話
LGBT stands for lesbian, gay, transgender, bisexual and transgender 啦，所以叫做 LGBT 了。我人一啲嘅人，咁了咧到48點鐘頭一年時，頭一年第二年乜事？我做48點鐘到啲拜個阿妹 start 起嚇，做48點鐘 until 禮拜嘅阿妹。แล้ว咁了是 LGBT 嘅 LGBT friendly，我 ally 嘅 podcast 啊。有嚟做嚟一年一刀我能做現調嘅，誒錄音咯。所以當今咧嚇，
冇錯。
係咪？then 這禮拜咧本來學見嘅錄音咧，就是到底 during 這個 Bright48 broadcast 時做，所以讓當今現調嘅聽人會使去聽，但我都未記 advertising，但我佢去Facebook 嘅 advertising 咁樣。我自己拍歌仔聲啊，自己拍歌仔聲啊。OK， 我好long question。
他很像老那個什麼
阿嬷還沒說妹，
我一邊想我朋友
一邊想你朋友阿嬷啊，你捌看過阿嬷？
有影咩？
你捌拄過阿嬷？
捌拄過我冇？
唔捌喎。
係啦，無條件是這女朋友。
我朋友唔是阿嬷，伊是 Eurasian 嚟。
哦，Serani 叫啊，我叫 Serani。แล้วว่าทำไม每人第一 basic 這個問題就是講，你coming out 你幾時在講你自己是唔是跌嘅？
是歪嘅，
唔是 YQQ。Y 嘅冇好聽嘛 ，QQ 嘅水 ，QQ 嘅 special。啊，反正咧 LGBT 咪叫 QQ 咯。actually 啊，QQ 是成個 queer 嘅意思，即係當見人講 queer，用較positive 嘅 queer，係就是 QQ。LGBTQ 啊，那是 QLGBTQQ， 哈，對份 curly fries 去 QQ 嘛，咪是 Q 咯。好聊嚟，即係你其實再講你其實 QQ。I like it. QQ 是 inclusive 嘛，QQ 咪
佢講佢爽啊，
佢我教乜嘢 ？QQ，嚟，你講聲
SS
係咩？爽啊！誒，我邊咧學嘅大全部是小神的哩。家己講家己爽 KKS。小神的哩嚟玩，其實再講呢個其實 Q 嘅。媽媽姑，
哇，I think 是6年級啩。
哦，
我嘢毛毛菇
Thank you。
出事就知是橋嘅，
好彩我冇好你看到橋嗰個亂個咪亂拍格㗎了。
多咗邊是搞嘅。
For me, I think was about 5歲啊。
哦，5歲都知啊。
I mean，就再講 different 啦，可能再講啦 different 咯。
啊。
橋我嚼。
你喺度嚼。
5歲算是幾歲？
係咪嘅
5歲算是幾歲啊？還是過啦過4咯？你知啊？
咁你講我猜咯。唔幫我出事，我就係我嚼我出嚟是變 Q 嘅。
嚼咁閪聽嘅，嚼 Q。Big Fatty，hello Big Fatty。Hello, Big Fatty. Thanks for coming to listen to the Ching Chongs. OK， 嚟就會講 Q， 問講只有 Q， 唔是嚇 Q。你講5歲時，你係咩事？按照你冇想係咩意思？
哦，OK，I think that time 講 ，I think 假設啦，你再講嘅，you know 爸爸。I will be with double, husband, wife, you get the binary concept, right? Husband, wife, male, female, that one. So we not really talk, but I always thought, I want more. I don't feel like that way, and it wasn't in a very sexual in nature, lah. It's normally how we talk or how we think. So that was okay. I think the easiest way to explain this is Simon, the time when I want to always remember the first time when Gigi Eki the TV series Chips.
乜大。
Gigi Eki. Okay, so there was one scene which episode lah where he shows Larry masih Eric Estrada lo so it was a scene where 著笑 then 到進 hospital then 一 shoot one scene where 一到面層嘅位咧是一無穿衫Okay, it was it made that time it was never sexual lah, but it was like I like to see this kind of image because it was 較看so it's like but then I thought to myself like but this is like a bit different from what like our God I mean like people tell me lah that 是爸爸跟查甫嘛 but why am I interested to look at this person 我看 but it 唔是講 in a very sexual nature it's just你看you like you just like to see 啦
看笑看爽啊唔是爽
it唔是 sexual it was never sexual
你成日看哦你
comfortable
你是看是成日講哦哇，attractive more than sexually arousing，對唔對？ 你成日看
Yeah, I can see that. You can see that.
你成日一直 cap， 哦，成日 draw you in， 你成日將你就 captured by topless shirt。I mean, shirtless men Yes, the idea maybe see because maybe 他是那少年那個啊被 develop where 你you know
一定嘅個。
特別香港嘅 concept sex wound 嘛。
對。Okay, good. That's good explanation. Anybody else? 英國點？
我真出細漢嘅時我就知了。差不多 experience 我傾向是差不多上個我哋讀啦 ，because 我細漢嘅時啊，你嘅 exposure 嘅就是電視機啊，我看電視機時，你看我係咁搞，較熟嘅話，大波人，然後較假嘅嚟啊，我較熟嘅看較老嘅較有血嘅。
哦，我哋 look already start 咧，係時。
我看我特別我本時成個看故事啦，看下面 Ironside 都會記俾出會記 Ironside。
我聽過誒，
我聽過誒，
Ironside 是一個馬大人，伊細漢伊較少年嘅時候，何超人拍情伊，然後伊袂行，所以伊伊個臉會搞伊嘅。
Raymond Burr 嚇
對 Raymond Burr， 哎呦，我梗係愛住你 Raymond Burr， 特別我講我
supposedly gay 嘛 Raymond Burr
嚇，特別我咪講會聽一個故事，即係唔是我掉地成個我係點解我冇係咪注意啦，我冇係咪感覺特別啊，我係默嘅掉搬厝嘅時，伊人翹個了人嘅物件，แล้ว伊吹彈我係。kindergarten 嘅我 kindergarten 嘅 report card แล้ว佢哋是我baru過去呢，baru過去去 kindergarten， แล้ว我哋頭先嘅report card 啊，伊寄來去英國去學話，伊人買笑了喺學話。
你係幾歲？
嚇，แล้ว我哋睇伊 report card 啊，伊講我講阿莫話啦，伊講 Patrick is very friendly and plays well with all the children.Especially the boys.
Cute.
So 唔知特別係你是冇嘢啊，嗱面冇。
拄好啊，難講意思咧。特別應該點我俾佢講，一個福建嘅校，你知我俾你看你校講 kindergarten in 福建啊？
未曉
UD 班。
UD 班啊，UD 班。
UD 班啊。
UD 班。
UD 班哦 ，OK。UD 班。
毛毛菇咧。
係咪？我是講緊咩6年級唔是咩？
我再看 detail， 但冇啦，梗係講 detail 啦。按照在你 Q。
哦，我是看到老爸啦，แล้วก็看到老爸赤啦，老爸 playboy，so 看嗰陣時看 because。老爸
playboy 唔是查某嘅咩？
我是查某嘅嘛。
唔是啦，查某啦，特別唔知做咩數定啊啲 focus 有打波嘅啦。
哦，有打波嘅叫咧。
有咩
？playboy 有打波啊 ？maybe 定到嘅事。
有啦，伊有做條 activity。
哦，係你 playboy 有咩 ？playboy 有 maybe 有定到事，啊是別你 maybe。
前路冷特別會
แล้วจับ落嚟冇係少少啦，頭看老爸幫啦。
係你幾歲？你講你話
6年級啦。
哦，6年級就OK。
哎呦，你老啦。
แล้ว
老。
誒 ，please 啊，好陣時間有拍追情 ，OK？
超情唔是追情。
OK，แล้ว冇看老爸迄個回片含濕片啦，แล้ว看本是看大波嘅，唔會看查某啊，查某啊就咩 fast forward 啦，做甲攰啦，嚇，做甲攰啦 player 過好像青講一碟，
做假碟，
啊假碟喎，แล้ว嘢丟出嚟係痕咗，咪執小。
哎呦！誒，你我到底 chat room 會你講講啊 Playboy turn you gay
你看到拜拜那驚。
Good morning, Vivi. Good morning, Vivi, in the chat room. Okay, I'm gonna be checking back on the chat room periodically. Okay, going back to our Hokkien conversation. Hello, okay. แล้ว
John 啊
阿蕉
So 意思是講，頂到時候我看到查某係拜我感覺真吉利咯。
有咩路啦啥？
Point Mac 嘅嘛，係人工嘅嘛。
有啊。
哦，唔係。
摸你佢個乜卡人工。
你看你我啊！
誒，未講，等陣 OK 啦，就對嚟看路啦啥吉利啊嘛，法蘭冇啦啥吉利嘛。
你爸先冇rasa dah geli？
你會借電，你會借電。
借電咧，你係咪咪嘅看到是啊 ？OK，你安怎？你其實 start，你講你成細漢都知啊嘛，在你冇想啊，你其實。
咁數，我是大漢，我只細漢時話我唔知數啊，我擺咗情我擺咗三，我擺情係特殊都下面學，一個月係特殊都學情嘅啫。
嚇！
你係咪先生我冇情過你咯？
哦，你情掉啊！哇，暑假掉啊，是啥？
然後我去我當時候，
你rasa sangat
當時候，
你rasa sangat情啊！這裡啥是？你成日講啱luôn呢？你就 comfortable 係咪？
我冇情過呢，係咪先查你先？
哦。
after that 是，我去我等好，我近啊參打波嘅了，到電腦咧成打波嚟興很啲咯。我去我等我近參打波了，就打波啫，然後所以做就大漢了嗬。對打波要看打波事咯。
哦。咁我係問題啦。
阿蕉。
Then 但你感覺你自己 gender identity 是佢是查某嚟。
Gender 意思講 gender identity 你是 feel 到 even though 你成 attitude 係咪㗎啦？就係較 comfortable with 打波啦，特別你個其實 self identify as 查波㗎啦，對唔對？
應該是啩未曉，你前面比較本事。
特別人會你 OK，你有成日講感覺，你睇咱個妹阿毛們，你有感覺講成日對你個己身軀啊，甚物你是成日 feel 到你。真是主人是打波還是查某？你 feel 到是？你 problem identify 你嘅as 查某
？OK 啦，無講，古早細漢是有啦。
嚇！
古早細漢是看我高嘅，教我物件無想咯，但無隻錯。
Penis envy 啊！
係咯。
誒 ，OK， 那 OK， 那
我 brother 係。
哦，你 brother 是 Q 本啊？
嚇，我 brother。
哦。
伊比我較少食咯，伊就是個煮物件啊。
哦，所以啷成 switch role 呢？特別啷嘅 binary gender 嘅 role。
你去每啲你嘅 LG 嘅 community，你看真一隻劇定啊，有較嘅一人是 LOG 嘅啊，所以我想啊。我感覺 must be 有一個 genetic 嘅reason 啊，好能做 allergy 啊 ，because 呢這人啊，人細漢呀都會知了啊，無 conditioning 做一個，了本時啊你看，你會個個你會知啦是係咪啊？你人嘛是 conditioning 嘛是差不多像咯，特別。
result 出來冇像
變安尼款咧，有你每啲你嘅劇定啊，你看較嘅較一人嘅入到嘅。
阿蕉
，OK， 我係感覺是講，等到古早嘅時啊，出來啦，咱未伊未使做 scan 嘛，你唔知打波還是查波嘅嘛。都有隻姐姐，我特感覺講，我可能我馬聲了，我高。一個打波啦，讓希望第二類是一個查波嚟，咁唔係咧，細時變做話咯。
如果同學朋友我嘛嗬 ，cos 我攞嚟代嚟elder brother 嘛，第二點是打波啊嘛，所以嘛就下打波我是打波，特別靚嘅嗬。
特別本味。
So， 就是呢樣可能 ，I mean 多少啦。是 because 你 mother 係哈拉班啊， 造成把你往晒出来。
tapi boy 查某嘛，你咧 send 查某，特別查某特別佢是 L，
嗰時
L 嚟。
就是咯。
我係時有陣時做打兵 ，because 我有內個呢，內個是打波了，我係馬甲白，定就是想講第三，定就是查某了嘅啦。
對咯。
嗰隻攞乜睇過 theory？
是打波啦。
攞乜睇過 theory about that is the concept of very binary gender 啦嚇，所以你是打波查某 because okay education time 教育點寫㗎？Gender differentiation between gender and sexual orientation 就是講你是成個話是 totally okay with my male gender identity even though 只我只 close friends 每日之後講你成個有較濟查某 element but I don't care 啦 but what gender wise 我是 totally happy 啊 and then since I go into this route here, transition, okay. into Amor, do you want to share?
我講真有興趣，因為人講伊 feel 到哈咪甲別人無相似，一刀呢，我是兩刀，我兩刀，
你成日 have to go through twice.
對，我知道是feel 到係你我寫下嚟時我唔知，特別 gender 你使講我 gender 有問題，我真係早就知，特別唔知是係咪數，然後我暑假查甫還是查某，是另外一個另外嘅數啊，這是我12歲、13歲就知啦。
再講你是 bisexual，但係是 not 你是唔是？係你是唔是你頭先 discovery？ OK， 係你嘅影嘛 ？I think that is cut in figure out。because 你是對你 feeling 是看到查某滿暑假，看到打波滿暑假，看到你係咪啊？看到 skip TV 滿暑假，看到 Baywatch 跳滿暑假。
對，
後面我就幾歡喜咯，攞餅罐有。
特別我嚟邊感覺奇怪，所以我別啦，我別
你冇 comfortable with the idea 啦。
對。
So you try to suppress 啊？
對，所以我11歲到13歲我真係冇暑假，我本綁掉餅啦。那人啊，就是打波啊，伊其實就綁到伊咕咕叫啦，其實啦，差唔多10歲11歲，對，
係咪叫你講了打波嘅邊？
how to say 拍手精啦？
拍手精，
拍手精啦，就是。應該是你是打波啦，打波嘅就差唔多10歲就 start 講掉哈。
打波啊
，explore， 對唔對？How old 啊？
你幾時開始拍手情？幾歲啊
？Standard 5。
11歲。
11歲。
我12歲。
我是幾十歲，因為我冇暑假，我本來冇暑假綁掉。所以我
9歲呢。
家查甫，
上面我哋俾講咧
綁掉。
OK， 阿蕉拜拜，阿蕉拜拜，
蕉拜，
拜。所以加別人加 L 個字冇想啦，因為 L 個字伊人知。暑假係咪人啦？本是暑假自己嘅辛苦啦，所以
OK，
較簡單一步。
對。因為 on top of that 啊 ，bisexuality already 是較 confusing 嘅 ，because 你成日講，你冇成日講OK， 我冇暑假查某，我暑假打波 ，at least 你 OK that's dealt，but it's like 我暑假查某。 特別我嗰時個答波 already confused 啊。Then 嗰個 on top of that 個 gender identity 嘅issue to deal with。所以你 gender identity 嘅 issue 都其實個發覺掉。
喂，30，喂
，30歲。
伊到底是蝦米事？是30幾歲？喂，我記記我捌甲你講過，因為我最近我無去笑安尼濟迄個事啊，應該是早6年啦，早6年前啦。我30個歲啦，安尼事我就知是蝦米事，我內面有安尼濟問題，安尼有迄個感覺。
你成日真係無歡喜啦，你真係無歡喜。
就是我逐擺我去how to say， 我I can't remember how to say that. Go and chase women and get into relationships with them. 追打波啦，即我逐擺是失敗啦，我逐擺就是 have depression problem and everything seems strange. Yeah.
成日無面啱就對啦，無面對皮啦，對都是。咪走啊！
咪走。
OK， 感謝啊！拜。係了，你安怎？你真無歡喜，特別你還是較濟啦，所以講你頭那個讀短期你較早嘅時，講你知講你暑假打波查波時，特別你咪你會 suppress 你嘅 male attraction 咯。
對，
是哪裡個了？
有咧事我當見白記去了，因為是30年前啦。特別我會記我迄個時本有 start 請我嘅馬會沙啦，我特別馬會沙無蝦米好啦，但是我本是我10幾歲啦。แล้ว我真係 suppress 迄個，我就從我愛做 how to say normal， 就是普通嘅人啦，做普通人啦，愛做普通人嘅事，就是愛吹查甫啦，愛那是我學別人做嘅，我就變做甲別人安尼款啦。所以我去教英甲日本人啊，我去。有查某朋友啊，蝦米，比較地內面真係 confuse。
你 OK， 咱要解釋下，人聽叫幾人未看到你當然是不是？即個紅毛咧是定到，你都講about transition，然後你比較 clarify。紅毛 born as a male。body physically. Then look at 幾歲是 transition。
那是迄個本是36、37歲。唔是，個較早啦，我袂記啦，我4年前就去上地啦。所以我5年前就變5年半我就變我名啦。
我昨天 it's kind of funny. This morning 我看在 somewhere on Google Plus 還是 somewhere 我看到 that video。
WhatsApp 是唔是啊？對，有人哋 share 當今啦。最近有真係濟人哋 share 我電腦嘅 video， 特別有人 share 給我，你人本唔知是我嚟。
你成日阿媽看嗰陣，阿媽講我嗰陣，阿媽講緊我。阿媽我問你 ，does that bother you？
冇啦，我有可能。No, not anymore. I don't mind anymore.
That's so good. I think you're in your true skin and self. I think it makes it easier, right?
對。因為我人問我常常會講啦，講我嘅故事啦。我部แล้ว我學生啊，差唔多แล้ว係學生講，因為我舊年我就 講一個 call 叫做 Queer Asia แล้วว่า講上帝 Lady Boy 嘅書แล้ว Malaysia มักเนี่ย嘅書係咪แล้ว I said and of course you all know that I am like that too and 有啲人冇去笑掉安尼死啦。特別有啲人講，yeah, I kind of guessed that, but nobody cares in New Zealand.
Yeah,
New Zealand 地好啦，對，依樣真冇驚啦。
我哋都講。
How about the question for 我啦嚇？Okay, when you transition 嘅時，當in New Zealand 嗱，嗱有 guidelines 你 hormones。
what the Australia transition 啊，我不過 transition to New Zealand，你話多澳洲啊？
有 guidelines 講or not how many pills because I think that's like transgender people in especially transgender female or transgender women in Malaysia like young when they transition is young is most of the times the word of mouth so young 講俾佢講即係落字 so sometimes they overdose you know and then they have unexpected complications so
我人真係好運啊，因為我人有一個how to say 老公啊，老公伊真係識㗎這個問題，伊就愛講你愛食迄個hormone 啦，你特別去 test how to say is 檢血 is it like take no test blood yeah
檢血，你特別檢血。就是攞過一刀啦，一看迄個 hormone 對你嘅肝肝對你嘅身軀係咪影響啦？對，所以呢樣真係好啦。那唔是講了報間喺 Australia 有安尼款啦，這個是 Canberra 特別好啦。我唔知係咪數，特別 Canberra 我因為我住 Canberra，所以我冇係咪問題啦。 到底馬來西亞嗰啲是 self-administered 嘅了你。
對，所以you know life with all sorts of problems so then because I think that's in the endocrinologists they don't specialize in temporary assignment so
相對本是想
doctors cannot help you also
對，相對本是想啦，你哋相對啦，你愛。就像個我大病嗰陣時，我嘅 hormone 我食了啦，所以我就未去相對買啊。你哋相對你去 chemist 就買就無人買咯，係咪？你有錢你就會買啦，買掉。特別有 yeah it's a bit dangerous 有淡薄風險啊。
特別我想啊，你若是買換打波做查某，還是查某換打波？你袂使世界做，你袂使四處做嘅，即真係坎坷。你都要去一個話，你近厝有加了會過濾嘅身軀，個過濾嘅腦分。嚇 ，because 這邊啲人講第好嘅位要做嘅款係。換是啲 London King's College 啲 London， 伊人真係謝你了做。你若是要 apply 要做啊，伊人過濾啊，真正過濾較真正忝啊！伊人 interview 伊人好你做你嘅 psychological profile 幾啦謝到啊，แล้ว伊人 support 伊人一規 package 啊 support 你嘅 now support 你 emotionally support 你。你會 conversion 卡了 each step of the way 伊人過濾，唔是看下伊 hormone 啊 ，because 你要換時啊，你都要過濾嘅腦甲你嘅身軀分。
你看我無安尼款，所以我講我好運，因為特別我本來無好運，因為我真係這年啊，就是三年來啊，今年較好啦。特別3年來我愛自殺啊，我有真係這 depression problem very bad ones 但係本是因為我 你爱我迄个是无讲啊，我想讲我找无讲嘅，因为人看到我伊就无爱请我做工啊，所以我直直写安尼款嘅书，了，佫有像到我当今啊，我一人啊，我就惊将来我會 single, yeah. I always worried about that sort of thing. The psychological thing is actually quite important, but in the end I worked through it myself, but it wasn't easy.
Hardcore.
Yeah.
I mean,
I told you before. 應該當我甲你捌甲你講過哈。
咱白拍夠了啦。
Because things in Malaysia 就冇you know, it's not so open.
I know, yeah.
係政府伊人就冇，成個伊人冇錢，安尼款嘅人嘅，伊人冇錢，安尼款嘅人有影正嘅本地，伊人是講伊人即個是。了，所以伊人本是伊人嘅 religion 啊，無蝦米學嘅安尼款嘅不要緊人要換打波查某打波，伊人都無學嘅人 LG 嘅意思，伊人就唔學嘅啦，伊人嘅 religion 未互伊人笑嘅學講嘅款嘅本地，所以伊人就真正後邊了咯，真正 backward 了咯。
你人講對你人叫其實對L 走過了好，全係 G 是，講係 G 是，係 G 嘅橋。你感覺到你知啦，你發覺到你知講你其實你幾歲，你知講你自己無想係物件但係冇講要 resist 啊。你人出嚟嗰啲有 resist 噃，你其實自己都接受啊。
我真係 enjoy 咯。
Full force 啊，直接講 full force。I just quite envious about 你人嗰啲 because 我基本上我 struggle 就係這年，你知道 about 我 sexuality。
冇啦，我教官啦，John，唔是我冇俾成個講教官上者啦。你聽。你若是無相甲別人啊，你若是相甲你若是打波，你愛打波，愛打波嘅。甲了你會打波嘅朋友，甲了講愛打波，你就袂出聲講係咪啊？你參加人啦，你參加你就無相甲人。了我靠較慘，我本是無，我愛打波本是一個問題，然後嗰一個問題是我愛較有會打波，所以。參加別個嘅你本是無相嘅人了。較濟我係知嘅朋友，即邊較了是平常嘅，我講較普通較平常嘅知啦。伊人較了個伊人會嘅人嘅啦。我舊家我知十幾歲，知十六歲，知十七歲啊。我巴如個會知啊，有別人上甲我嘅款。我安怎你知無？我安怎是我有一個好朋友，伊是真十有歲嘅人啦，伊是70幾歲啦。伊去找伊嘅朋友佇巴黎，佇法國，佇巴黎，伊看到一個 magazine， 一個 magazine， 伊看到這個 magazine 是何止嘅人啊？蘇格較有歲嘅人嘅啊，然後伊個報紙出佇 California 佇美國邊，然後佢哋點寫伊個紙啊，伊人嘅用嘅紙啊，即個人啊出伊個 magazine 佇伊個garage 位啊，然後
伊家己做啊，家己印啊，
伊家己做咧，家己搬咧，然後 somehow 啊，即個 magazine 去到舊個巴黎邊。了我嘅朋友看到，伊嘅朋友知我暑假安款，伊互我伊個報紙，我互我嘅伴侶看，人講阿無後年伊人有伊個 gathering 嘅時，人去參加人去 Florida
有 gathering。
所以了我去佢嘅 gathering 嘅時，我想甲死了去 heaven 去啊！你知無？人去我人去一個客棧啊，這個客棧是佇 Orlando， 你知 Orlando 啊？伊個客棧真係大啊！人去大啲嘅 Twin Towers 啊，哈利尼啊， 我本是會95呢，我 Anthony 甲我接去伊個客棧嘅 lobby 啊，看到啊，較假甲一千個 registrant 你知無？
哦，
甲了規世界來嘅啊，規世界來，較假甲一千啊，我想講，哎喲 ，finally I am home man，你知無？
我講掉。I can relate to you to a certain degree, yeah, because even one must fancy the older guys, you know. So you like sugar daddies lah.
แล้วท่านน่ะ是平常啦，ท่านน่ะ較平常啦，有 sugar daddies 啦，แล้วที่英國有 calf moss，แล้ว我
calf moss
係啦
Calf moss 係咩
？calf moss 是人阿摩嘅 equivalent of sugar daddies。
Calf moss。Calf
moss CAFFMOS。
我那時候我看過嘅 website。
แล้ว我去邊啊！哇，安尼借啊，有歲人，了安尼借少年人啊，伊人少年人直直看伊老人呀。แล้ว我拄着我做個真正借好朋友嗰邊啊。然後我有一單我借個我第一好嘅朋友喺美國啊，伊是差不多8歲嘅話，伊本是有一個。較老嘅朋友，然後伊個老嘅朋友本參加本是本事，然後我拄嘅時候，人直直講我甲伊
，Hello，
安尼做物件像啊，人有安尼做物件像 ，so much in common 啊，人想甲兄弟啊，你看到知無？人。
你成日吹掉 ，but for the first time 吹掉 your people 呢？
人講話人嘅慶祝，咁了安尼想一個啊，人特別伊是美國嘅人，我是馬來西亞嘅人去英國，安尼無像啊，本是像本。安尼款嘅慶祝，你袂解釋，可能袂人。人那是唔是字啊？是唔是？你袂解釋，可能伊人袂明白嘅。
Yeah, I could agree because I think why a lot of my friends yang into either twins or they into jocks, muscles, you know. So I think I'm one of those. Yeah, both are best. I think that's of the friends that I mix around with, yang they are into bass or silver daddy. So it's only one background that I need to bigger guys or more mature guys.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, Tao Ge.
Hello.
Tao Ge.
Tao Ge, Hi,
Mogu.
當晚我冇個嚟，OK，我每到對到當晚我能講起question 就是你幾時發覺到你個幾無相幾時你發覺到你 QQ？
我依度嚟不是 QQ 嘅啦。
我知你幾時知你細漢就知啊，你幾時知講你幾 discover 講你幾個唔是跌是 Q 嘅。
我是after 我入secondary school 咯。
哦，中學 OK。中學時開家知，你細漢到底小學時冇去小學係咩？
冇去 ，I mean 我冇特別去小學啦，但中學我 feel 到我陣間我 different than others 咯。
但我每兩間講嘅咧，特別我每個人講，我 actually 話 about 10歲時，現在4是10歲還是9歲啊？現在4是10歲 about actually maybe no I think it's 較早 maybe 我個7歲8歲我就知我冇想啊6、7歲是6、7歲 but it is when 我10歲時我 start 有想個大媽我哋都講嘅係個 attraction to male figures 啊我係想個係我想個唔是 not sexually 特別你想個就 drawn to 想個就 captivating 嘅很แล้ว特別我 struggle 就係這年啦 going through 所以你會 suppress 我 feeling that slowly from that 係一種嘅成個 attraction to or 你成個 attracted to 打波係not physically But the idea, but man slowly because 他是 start puberty 好，你差唔多去11歲、12歲時，你 start 變做 from that obsession into like physical attraction here 啦，係。So that part is I think struggle 第一節就是 during that time 係because I feel that I'm not supposed to，我別使。Because 我唔知對你嚟講係，when 你細漢當今冇時候，可能當今。即係 exposure， 頂到嘅時，細漢嘅時，70、80年嘅時，冇你有影感覺到是自己你是規世界是你自己一人嘅可能，所以 of course 你感覺到你再講哦 ，suppose 你嘅 norm 係 that 你 exposed to 嘅 norm， 嗰陣時打波教人家查某，所以你感覺到安怎我自己一人嘅可能是唔是我有 something wrong 啦？
我明白
呀。
Okay, I managed to feel like that for a very, very short period because from in between the time that, what I call my chips story, then after that, let's fast forward a few years, then see the now.
Yeah, Ally arrival, 南西。
喺南西。
講下咩嘢？
講嘅。
講嘅。
哦，講嘅啊 ，OK。
Bright.
So as I was saying, so that time to see after that, so what fast forward to a few years, so that was 1984. So that time what the I was starting phase what I listen to modern that time the current pop music then the time what the they call culture club. You know? Y'all 在講 those who are around my age 會在講 who's culture club 嘛對哦。
在我在。
咁類似嘅所以就是在講然後就等埋問講咦這 boy George 啊，唔係什麼鬼嚟㗎？唔是打波，唔是查波。OK， 原來講這世界唔是我一人啊！你看 I actually meet I kind of OK， so 有別人 so not so worried
我等陣我到底去 chat room 啊 ，chat room 嘅人誒真同我講一教會開就開格嗰一個叫 QQ， แล้วก็即係聽講 Toppy Smelly，Hi Toppy Smelly，Good morning。因為serious question 嚟講，做咩事當時讓 slip into English is a bit because there's no way to say what you wanted to say, or sometimes it's not no way, but we are not very familiar with certain terminology. Yeah.
That's correct.
And some were educated in English. Like I think some of our viewers were actually okay. Actually, let me clarify.
Part of the problem also is that Chinese culture was essentially very heterosexist, and because of that, it never developed a vocabulary which could cope with transgender and sexuality issues. As far as homosexuality was concerned, so that's part of the problem. Yes. A lot of the Oriental cultures are the same.
I'm sure that's changing. Don't you think? Like the newer generation might actually have more words for what we want to express. But since
but look at that. Look at that. We just had to invent our own word. Q.
Yeah, but when we were growing up, though. That's why in our era, so maybe like the younger generation may not have as much as okay, let's talk about that's a good topic. 安怎叫你嘅人 OK 啦，安怎講 LGBT 安怎講in Hokkien 話 How do you express your own queer identity?
唔知啊，愛打波
QQ 啦，
愛阿公，我是 AAK 愛阿公。
阿 John MAMK 是阿摩阿瓜。
阿 John， 阿夸啦 list one 個是幾歲行人咯那邊？
我試下嚇。
Please， I think 係啲過去咯。過去，
冇啦，大媽，即係個少年，即店個少年，即店個超市。即係冇看呀。我哋都。大媽嚟啊！
就爭唔一。
哦，對。
OK。 濟是9歲10歲在嘛，我每前仔自己嘅 friend 啦，隔了本教我講9歲咯10歲咯，around there 啦，8、9、10 around there 伊人 start 在 their difference， 點講啊？
我在啦。
我會講嘅，頭先就是Toppy Smelly. If you're still listening, Toppy Smelly, we have a pretty good representation here. We have all the LGBT. Some persons might have, some individuals may have more than others, but we have a good representation today. I'm so proud.
Yay!
Including ally. We have an ally too. So 我俾 OK，當尾先生有 ally 嚇，男仔我俾未聊 about 你嘅 gay friends around you。所以我 feel 到有啲人 ，especially 查某嚇，伊人較 already 成個男仔咧，我 feel 到有啲查某樣 naturally 較 open to gay men 嘅，我 feel 到。
是，我 almost more than 50% of friends is gay. 奇怪，我真係 attract by gay， 真奇怪。你我本真係 attract by gay，I mean 我家己本真係 attract gay。我真奇怪，家己講就好朋友好了，阿啲你我 antenna 本就長嘅哦。
要 antenna 個人想
satellite dish 記得。
看到好了，甲我講啊個點正話可能 about 1 hour conversation 哦。等我拉沙，以前個時嚟喎，你看了，頂擺我就唔敢問。after sometime 了 ，I mean 我白錢一字了，關事啊嗬，你話直頭問，你是唔是嘅？我是 straightforward，你是唔是嘅？我因為我哋就講是，我哋講唔是，有真正嗬，有一號我跳掉出來，我
跳掉，我 feel 到啊，男仔你嘅 sensitivity 啊 ，sometimes 是 from 你 intuition， because 你成個你係看到鬼嘅人啊，看到鬼嘅人，伊只 sensitive to 你
我本會看到其他自己嘅朋友嚟跟我做朋友嘅，真奇怪。
呀，金培咧，金培嚟啊，歡迎金培。
Hello。
Hi， 金培。
金培臨 message 你冇 in 呢啊，你？
我個sorry 咧，你講到我個你講話，我冇看我電話係你 message 嗰度，我近日看 WhatsApp 呢 ，because 你 message 太濟廣告了。
哦，係咪 call message？
快我 WhatsApp 你啦。
剛剛係你 iCloud 嘅 message 啊，是接人係你 phone 嘅 message 嘅位嘛？
哦，見啦，你制啦，你制啦，做好了，你制做好了，嗱，別見啦。
我看到了，我 reply 你 WhatsApp 啦。
哦 ，OK，thank you。
我把你家看呢，但係冇個 call 我家去看呢 ，sorry。
咁去啊，咁去。
Yes。
我咪未了咯，你但係我啲架即係講掉你有你查某成 naturally 成就 open to gay man 嘅 friends。你是唔是？
我是啊。
你是 because of 你細漢個大漢咩成？你可能是 because of 你 industry 成個你 study 你 profession。
對，我 study 一個後後我捌
以後你話佢即毛毛菇啊，佢再起厝啊，就係聽厝啊，邊度邊
啲話啦，
叮當鏗鏗鏗鏗鏗鏗，我係看到啲。
阿 John 那團隊經那邊多叻。
嚇？
水咯。
那多叻那邊。
哦，係啦，我聽到。
Echo。
個 echo 啦，針板鏗鏗鏘鏘。啊，嚟金培講就對金培。
是啊，我是啊。
所以
讀冊了做工都捌到這幾幾名人可能。
sorry 我捌到隻我睇到你 message，OK， 我同見contact 一下，同見 contact。
個講冇亂咯。
tu vois, tu play WhatsApp message, tu vois.
Sorry，我冇估，我睇你 message 啦，我啲 playback，sorry。
我姑姐教講話，
運安啊，運安啊，
要滾昂。
Delhi 嘅大媽 call 都會報。
毛毛菇，習慣就好，
關係就好啊。
關係就好。
แล้วรู้ลัง from airline standpoint 咧รู้講 about 咧即做咩事รู้等下那這個 attract to 即個 LGBT community 你成 feel 到啷佢真係啱啦 because 就 frankly 這人是唔是講伊無 exposure 呢，特別伊個有上加即係 close-mindedness 啊，所以伊直頭被 allow that difference to be they allow that difference to be an issue. So 你人做咩事會感覺到哦，哋只 open and 嚇呢？我咪內雜噃。
可能嘅大波較好參。加會辨別我人愛蝦物件。
啊哈。
加 detail。加 detail， 所以我會接受，我會舒服，加嘅大波做朋友。because 加 detail 了，我頂晚我講我 actually 我年頭有時看朋友把你把手嘅呢買是嘅嗬。啊。伊頂晚我解白白食飯嗬，伊白下卡好我只愛咯就。哦。伊真低調，我講真啦，我硬部肯做啦。我硬就差唔多。我講我知世界學有兩個人做我只愛，一個是我爸，一個就是我隻朋友。咁。
咁配呢？
我冇咩參雜我嘅 friend 嚟。
Actually， 我imagine 乜嘢？你 personality 上較客，你成冇較客，冇成講啊，咱今日去 shopping 嘅擦真夠油嚇喏。
我讀冊嘅時候，我是讀雜務活動嘅，特別啊我啲雜務，我讀冊嘅時不是迄幾個叫朋友，馬路不是參迄幾個叫朋友呢。
Lu rasa lu personality 較似成個 gay man 本啊定？
我唔知咧。
你 personality 成大波，成個 gay 大波，actually yeah，淡薄嚟 be between because 你淡薄大波，你成個 because 你只大聲，真正無成個講較安尼斯本雜波呢，你愛講就講，愛笑就笑嘛。
嚇！所以你書本嘅雜務我冇參嘅，我只係攞咗啦。
你咪未參我咯，我啲書本。
再你講字呢？
係咩物件？
你講字呢？嚇！你講字有時驚你書本。
嚇！講字。我書本我啷講我書本我啷。
冇阿 John， 你是跟他表面上講書本，但係後邊嗬，actually 是 naughty 嘅。
唔是 naughty。
哦
naughty。
我講佢喺邊
naughty。sorry。
我氹大波較濟咯，然後有就是gay 嘅本有啦。gay 嘅本有陣時候會較好講話本嘅。
你 because 你參到大波trade，but then 如果無迄個straight 嘅大波complications。
我未曉喎。
That means 你suka 你關係參大波嘛？所以參大波特別大波，但是嘅大波你佢無上 level 你 mentally 你想 relate to 卡成個 suka 一般 suka 大波，然後所以你唔 worry about 講會被教唆你啊，成日你看啊。
正常打波我本 OK 本呢。
你話咪是正常。泡湯嘅打波，泡湯嘅時間你凊彩去打嚟點樣彈杯彈除掉嘅，你話人嘅 QQ 咧是較特別嘅，特別做咩 special order 嘅。
但係你講嗬，泡湯嘅好啊，你愛講食好參本味咯。
泡湯嘅打波。但係我是講到有隻 extra layer complication 嘛。
嚇，對。
你免煩惱嘛？你係你夾你免驚講是要不來一時被暑假話上面，你再講我人是參與是唔是被交接你官那邊嘅嚇。
That mean 就是你人這種嘅 actually 容易上 because of 你人是係咪種嘅人知影嘛？所以 at least 我再講就是講話個好容易講。I mean actually 我不是 agree 啊，因為我再講就是。So far 啦，我有一個 friend 啦 ，I mean 我有two girls that actually that okay with me，我係男仔咯，嗰另外一個是我係一個 best friend。So 我 feel 到 sometimes 我 before open 陣時咧 ，sometimes 我 feel 到成個我唔知佢講咩嘢嘅。But recently 我嘅 open 陣時咧，我嘅上面更講咯，你諗。
係咯，你個嘅線嘅係湯，
我 topic 咯，
線嘅係湯，
我 topic 咯，你講，
所以我袂記嘅嗬，我袂記啦。你人會暑假吹查某講是唔數，還是暑假吹到對基講是唔數
？I don't know. You guys have to take this.
我是 both 咯，我是 both 咯啊。
你看最咧 ，individual 看最你係湯，你線。
Depends on 我嘅relationship 是話久咯，因為我有生我嘅 friend 嘅，我係講我係成熟嘅面嘅咯。
But don't you think though？你無啦三咩成個講吹查某有 benefit 都是 straight 啦 ，especially 嚇。benefit for the gay man 啊，唔是 for 查某，是 because 伊你免煩惱講，可能你講啊，變做自家的意義。Because 我哋 gay man 你再講，伊是查某，所以你再講你 there's no you know 你 chemistry 那邊嘅嘛。At least sexual 嘅 side 啊，特別查某 on the 查某 side，那是講 sometimes because 我捌看過本 relationship between 一查某 gay man and the straight woman 後，伊人會查某會成個頭頭會暑假誒 gay man。特別 for the gay man it's very safe 咯 ，because 再講伊無 there's nothing else。亂白人。
Sorry， 我放咗水。
困起啊你！
呢位係我。我話成 question，
男仔都
我話成 question 嚟嘅。
唔明白，你做咩解釋佢哋？
解釋啊？
係咪？
我是講，let's say，
我話成 question 嚟嘅。
Pay attention. No, 你有 feel 到你會較 straight 就冇較硬講你心事，還是你吹？
成家 friendship 嘅咧，我冇半嘅，我有查某嘅朋友，我有查甫嘅朋友，特別我第一暑假是較有會嘅查某。
OK。
我特行是，我想我特行啊，是我較暑假較有會嘅人，我較無呢啱甲我白會嘅人。你看甲了我朋友甲了我查甫是查某甲了是較有會嘅人啊，我會想甲我去大學時有兩個 professor， 我真正親解人，我本是真正親解伊人嘅某。แล้ว一個我 professor 伊關心了啊，佢睇下我直接吹伊個波，我吹波去參加波去食 dinner， 然後人拍過蝦米行本我本寫講，所以我無本嘅我無參加，我有真係一 G 嘅朋友啊，人無蝦米會合嘅查某嘅，就即係成個無是個查某嚟看，我無嚟看咧，我暑假參加查某，白白嘅參加打波嘅，我無本咧。
诶，我switch gear 啫。我咪每人看到啲 Malaysia LGBT or maybe particularly those who are here 啦，當你知就是 what is the current issue？當今嘅問題係咩？I mean other than the obvious like okay government is not supportive and it's very conservative, but actually
oppressive. I would say conservative is very oppressive.
But okay, besides the obvious, I thought it was actually quite vibrant. The community is actually not bad, right, in Malaysia?
Okay. Okay. It depends on what kind of activities is done. I think. Like usual, there are occasional gatherings and movie screenings, and there are Facebook groups active, yang network with the local LGBT community, and there are also gay clubs, gay saunas. Those are still going on. So, but it's not something that not something that you can actually do like in a big scale. That's you don't expect there's going to be pride.
Yeah. When okay. Now let's predict. Okay. Lurang rasa kisi Malaysia 有頭一個 Pride Parade in the future.
Yeah. Not in my lifetime. Not in my lifetime.
Not in my lifetime.
DKK.
因為有啊，有幾個人去啊？
人去台灣 some of them 人去台灣 or 人去 Bangkok, they go there to march, but kind of defeats the purpose, right? If maybe one day with the Prime Minister, his son or something is gay or something, I don't know.
Yeah, so no, definitely don't see that in the future, like even 20-30 years.
Underground maybe lah.
Underground then is not pride. Underground is pride lah.
They come out during May Day, Labor Day, our Labor Day. Some of them went to march. During birthday, some of them also went.
LGBT.
They can bring the rainbow flag.
我看到。So that might happen. Maybe within 50 years.
Okay, lor.
Because yeah. Okay, then okay. Let's compare and contrast Malaysia and somewhere else. US, UK, New Zealand, Australia, Singapore. No,
Singapore 是唔是有咧嚇？有一個
Singapore Pink Dot is somewhere like Pride, yeah.
Singapore.
Wait. Actually, at Jiangong will happen first in Malaysia before in Singapore.
Yeah.
新加坡已經有Pink Dot啦嘛，Pink Dot。
tapi dan China 最人反對啦，China 最人不 suka Pink Dot 啦。They ban them.
But that's kind of the whole idea is the pushback is part of progress, right? You have to do that you have to push through the pushback to make progress. So that's part of it. The fact that you can do it. You can't do between time but you have dot one bay dot in Malaysia, I don't think.
Yeah.
Black dot. See.
唔知舊年有人愛做 Pink Dot Malaysia 了政府warn 伊人啊。
Yes. I think that was Penang, no?
Penang.
Then after that, I was in with a few of the organizers, but I wasn't really involved with it. But I know some of the organizers, so because of the warning that came out, so Yang Tebo Tancho, then they actually end up they changed the name and then had it anyway lah.
But individually. You lang feel nasi gong, so pride and all that is more public, right? It's a bigger statement that's like a bigger thing. But let's say let's go on say scale, on a smaller scale, lu okay, privately live lu life, lu to partner, boyfriend. How's that part like in Malaysia?
Well, I think it's okay, quite acceptable. I think people will not calculate through stones, I suppose.
Mm-hmm.
Gay
bashing? Is it an issue?
No lah, not our. Okay, I can't say for all.
Yeah.
Just
share look at your circle.
Oh yeah. I suppose smart, don't make those people go and make out. I'm not asking you to go and make out in front of an envelope lah. Then you're always inviting yourself to be gay bashed. But there are a lot of people who live together.
Mm-hmm.
If the bo not really know sure na mo go lah.
Sorry.
Yes.
唔是伊society 干那 society 呢有意思。啲馬來西亞，你家己嘅親戚，你家己嘅家庭本會做本地路。John，你甲我人較好命，人就被債啊，人無相干。哈你是會得，不過哈你是人真正好命了。Because 啊，你看，我講你，我好你一個 example， 我有一個朋友，一個好朋友，還啊，伊較有歲個啦，伊他那是差不多60幾歲。差不多70幾歲啦，特別我捌伊嘅時，伊是伊做一個 executive， 伊一個 insurance company， 伊真係慣了。伊嘅partner 是一個阿摩魯君，本是大啲馬來西亞嘅，大啲 KL， 伊人攞嚟大伯伯啊。แล้ว我捌伊人嘅時啊，伊人大伯伯學較加嘅20年了。OK， แล้ว伊人大啲一個condo啲 KL， 伊嘅工人啊，啲做工啲厝啊。伊個媽介紹互伊人誒，所以伊個工人入厝要扣厝誒時，伊人就要做上加伊人大啲攞嚟房間嘅咧，上加攞嚟大波人無夠用嘅 bachelor，
因為digay你嚇，
所以伊人啊，較加個20年啊，伊人上加 living a lie 嘅咧款 ，so much so 啊。伊人攞嚟地休嘅時啊，搬對去英國 ，because 即個伊阿摩人做即個教英甲伊嘅外患啊，搭波嘅朋友，所以伊會帶伊入去英國啊。他那伊外患啊朋友啊，伊嘅阿摩嘅朋友過身了，伊做一個賣對去馬來西亞。伊爸打行到馬來西亞，甲了伊個家庭，伊個媽、甲伊個爹、伊個哥、伊個姊、小妹、小弟，甲了有佇馬來西亞，伊唔愛看伊人了。
所以伊人是不，
伊就穿甲伊人了。
呀，你這你喎。
伊想講伊袂 live as himself。
呀。
伊就會。伊特擺伊人工人啊，特日個工人就要入厝啊，煮食互伊人，扣伊厝，洗伊衫。伊人都要做上甲伊人攞嚟打波人大啲。
無相生活咧，一個是 private， 一個是 public life live 無相。
伊人都要做上甲伊人大啲另外房間。
我問你，伊個厝人知伊人伊個 relationship 無，還是伊 always just kept it quiet 呢？
伊都要 kept it quiet， 特登不唔知。有人 I'm sure 伊人係好朋友。suspect 啦，伊人嘅straight 嘅朋友，我想伊人 suspect 啦，干那伊嘅 gay 嘅朋友呢，知㗎伊人，然後伊本是買互伊嘅 family 知，所以伊嘅工人袂使知，
伊
工人是伊嘅媽介紹伊人嘅。
係你本地 ，I'm not blaming it that it is on him. Obviously, everybody have their own reason to deal with their own family and their coming out, right? But just like just for discussion only lah, because Inui for whatever reason, good or bad or whatever reason that is neutral, no judgment is that he try to keep it a secret 嚇，做伊靠較坎坷。那是講伊成日講 ，OK， 我無插我厝人，伊愛知買知，即個是我嘅成話，你買知，你買嚟講，你家己走去就數了，一頭 open 起嘅，互伊人expose that to 伊人嚇，然後 then let them deal with it 嚇，是另外一問題，伊度變坎坷。
都是一知伊嘅劇頂嘅款是安怎款？一知伊若是做嘅款，伊若是出來，伊人就保護伊平安了。伊人保護伊
平安means 啥物？會互伊死嘅那款啊？
冇 blessing 啦，但係 never blessing 咯，冇
對伊啦，
反對啦，成個話。
對伊嘅朋友啦，
我想會死話。
Because 我家己是比冇有朋友乜成日款，一個阿嬤一個鄧人馬來西亞嘅，了伊本是差唔多20年做20年啊，伊厝嘅人本是反對，伊人一知特別伊反對講，那是你袂經你嘅 partner， 你唔是話驚啦，所以變咗伊。就無法就被講 because he 買幫佢 family of course he has a choice but you choose 買嘛 which I totally understand 你知道 sometimes if especially 讓大啲無上 country 嚇你咕一擺個不要緊咯你實際地嘅就แล้ว是3年2年一刀你看個 OK 但是你大條就是你真係坎坷
特別阿John啊特別啊我朋友嘅問題是較慘嘅呢款because 那是伊個爸個嘛講互伊聽，你若是要出來，安尼款人咪白路了，伊本是歡喜過，伊人幫互伊啊，伊幫互伊做，伊愛蝦米做，
I'm sure he make it publicly out and shame me 啊，
伊唔是安尼款嘅問題，伊人伊驚伊個決定咪幫伊做一個，伊人直直喊伊直直插亂伊人插亂伊嘅朋友，哈你是伊較慘㗎，互伊人cut伊 off 做一個嘛是好事咯，你咪是好事咯，你做蝦米就冇幫人管你了。
即係較應了解，不較應解決佢掉掉你慘掉你個人
咯。可憐。
最後。
唔可憐，
我可憐
啊！伊未對去馬來西亞，伊本是賣對去馬來西亞了。
各位聽眾啊，當今晚講嘅一邊性咧，我只節話條要講嘅，你揾 QQ 講未了嘛？講嘅就係爽啊，自己講嘅就爽啊，嚇。嚇，所以我哋等接落去下個禮拜，我特別到底嚟聽，我哋講 QQ 嘅話題個較濟，所以我特別到嚟聽，就聽我哋個係咪物件講未了，講個只濟點幾鐘哦，一個禮拜一個 episode 特別點幾鐘啊，特別變咗兩個 episode 去，下個禮拜到底嚟就聽。個有啲要緊就是讓佢去報名，你人嘅食請，特別佢咪去學累啊，較早人學累嘅人有攤special gift 啊，了個有我人嘅多嘅。本期報名我嚟多檳城福建多，我嚟 website 咧幫嘢就是penanghokkien.com/dinner， 還是penanghokkien.com/tour， 之內咧就是你人係隨掉 more information，OK？ 然後就俾佢 register 學女啊 comment， 今次講嚟聽就先聽我成日講話特別嘅邊隻呢禮拜就是走去了超情加祭典啦，同埋แล้ว個紅毛啦，แล้ว威威娃娃啦。金培啦，毛毛菇，阿蕉，奧迪都阿蕉，加英國調。
拜拜。
感謝各位聽眾收聽，禮拜再見，你聽啲真係無聊。